What do you do if you get super behind with your accounting? Even a little bit behind, but I'm talking for those people that they're super behind, the shame is spiraling, and you feel like you're out of control. I had a call from someone recently. They haven't done a VAT return or a tax return since COVID. And we all know that was quite a while ago. You're meant to file VAT returns every quarter. They are behind. And they'd hit the point where they couldn't bury their head in the sand anymore. It was keeping them up at night, and they were finally facing the problem head on and trying to get some support on it. So what do we do in those situations? Number one, we get stuff sorted. So we get stuff up to date as we can. And I know that can feel super overwhelming when it's going so many years back, but this is why it's so important to run everything through one bank account, because if it's all in one place, it's loads easier to sort. So we start there. Get me what you've got and we'll work through it. You probably don't have receipts going back that far. If you do, amazing. Pull together what you've got, root through your emails, find what you can find, get as much information together as you can. This is probably the worst part, is getting all the information together. It's the part that overwhelms people. But once you've done that, everything else is pretty simple. We then get everything up to date. We'll put you in software and we will churn through as much as we can, as quickly as we can, to get a good picture of where you are, what you owe, and get those submissions sorted. We then go begging to HMRC. We put our hat in our hands, we get on our knees and we go, I'm really, really, really sorry. Here's what I've done. Here's how I fixed it. Here's why things went wrong. Having a why things went wrong is really key with HMRC. And you sort of grovel and you beg and you hope that they don't charge all the penalties that they want to charge. Quite often, if you have a good why, you show that you've sorted it and you show that you're going to be better going forward, they will be really fair. That's what we did to this client. He's got a payment plan to pay off all the backdated tax, which will go for a couple of years, because you can imagine 3 years of VAT returns and tax returns not paid, it builds up. We now have him on a plan and it's going to be better going forward. So that is how you fix things. You just have to deal with it, even though it really sucks. And if you need help with that sort of stuff, drop me a message and we can see how we can help you.